All right, man, this is going to be intense. We got Ryuga facing off against Kai, Ray, and kadovar. Epic dream battle, man, between 3 different gens. It's so cool to see. But, yeah. Lightning L-Drago, 160F, both modes, facing off against Dranzerspiral, 380T, Drigerslash, 480P, and Wyverngale, 580 GB. So I'm going to save Ray and Kai's battle, because, you know, yeah, epic dream battle. And honestly, the burst level wasn't nearly like as balanced as it is with Beyblade, actually the remake. So, man. Kadovar's out first. And oh, I gotta give it to it. It went out, extreme finish. Damn. Alright. Well, that's 3. Alright, L-Drago, no, that. Yeah, the KO happened before the burst. So, yeah, I'm giving that to L-Drago. Well, alright. 3-2. The hit. Major blows. Yo, Wyverngale. Surviving the hit. Yo, showing off its defense right there, too. Ooh, smart move by L-Drago. It's got to maintain its balance. And, ooh, that was close. I'm going to call that a draw. That was freaking close. Alright. Still 3-2. Can L-Drago fight back? He's trying to. Ooh. Wyverngale showing off its defense. It's a stamina type, but you know. Showing off that big time defensive power. Maintaining its balance. Can it take this? And yo, that one does go to Wyverngale. Alright, it takes it. So I'm going to have it face off against the barrage mode now. Went up against the power mode, or upper mode. Now barrage mode. And, oh, that K. Oh, dude, that was sick. Alright. Well. Bam. And pop. Oh. Major hits by L-Drago. Someone's in the stadium. I'll get it out after. Ooh. Look at all the attacks. Wyverngale, though. Just throwing off balance. Damn. Okay. And what is that? I don't even know. It's clear. I don't think it's a... Dude, if a part of a bay came off, that'd be insane. Oh. Hopefully not part of the stadium. But... And damn. Alright. Yeah. L-Drago was not playing with that one. He got his payback on kadovar with that mode. Alright. Well, now we're going to have Ray step up here. Drigerslash. And ooh. Almost going out, but not quite. Uh-oh. Down to the stamina with this one. Who can maintain their balance? That's the big question. Ooh, the taper. That definitely helped out Drigger right there. Alright, so 1-0. Ooh, the speed, but missing those hits, man. It's like Drigger dodged all of them. Ooh, sending it back to L-Drago. Is Drigger gonna make it 2? I love the balance of the system, man. It's amazing. Even with the remakes. They showed, yo, Drigger not playing. Alright, that's 2. And yup, that goes to L-Drago. So 2-2. Wow. Yep. And yo, that hit by L-Drago. Drigger just jumped over L-Drago. All the hits, man. Who's got it? And it goes to Drigger. 3-2. Wow. And wow, there you go. hit. L-Drago. Yep, it takes it. Alright, getting the win against Drigger right there, but we're going to have it face off against the barrage mode. And oh my god, yup, that hit right there. Jeez, talk about Dragon Emperor soaring bite strike, good god. 3-0. Alright. And ooh, that time. I gotta give it to Drigger. All those hits, man. Alright, 3-3. Yo, the blows. Insane attacks, man. Ooh, the jumps from L-Drago. Uh-oh, it's coming down to the stamina now. That's not good for L-Drago. And yo, it goes to Drigger. It was that close, though. It did manage to take it with the one mode, though. So, yeah, it shows like the diversity even of this L-Drago. The two modes are definitely different, but we got to see how it goes with this one. Now it's Kai stepping up. You already know. Dranzerspiral, the heavy mode for L-Drago, starting it off. Bop. Got that upper mode. And oh, the KO right there. Those hits. Alright. Ooh, what a hit. Oh, John's getting thrown off balance. Getting that balance back, though. No, L-Drago's the one getting thrown off balance. He's got it. And oh, L-Drago with that stamina. 3-0. And that extreme finish right there by L-Drago. It takes it. All right. Well, at least with one of its modes, it's managed to take out all of them. But, you know, got to do the battle with the barrage mode. See how this goes down. Might as well. Going on perfect battle, man. Ooh. Wow. Insane hits. Dranzer's in there still. L-Drago threw it way off balance with those hits. Yup. Alright. So that's one. And yup, that's 4. L-Drago hitting like a freaking truck, man. It's a beast. That was awesome.